Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for content creation in 2026. So we'll generate some blog posts, maybe some video scripts, and social media content step by step. So first of all, you would like to have access to Claude AI. Open any browser that you have. For example, I'm using Brave. You can use whatever you want. And go to Claude AI website. You can just type claude.com as example. So type claude.com and you'll find yourself in the home screen or main screen Cloud or Cloud. So here you would like to create an account. Say if you have an account, you can even download the desktop app if you want to. So for me, I'm just going to log in here. Just go and do so. And I just go and log in into an account or create an account if you don't have one. For me, I'm going to do it using Google account. It will make it easy for me. So as you can see, here we are. The account is created. So after logging in, you will see basically the chat interface where you can start writing prompts for the Claude AI. So first of all, let's start by creating your prompts. To get good results, you'll need to give Claude some clear instructions. So as an example, let's just type like write 700 example word blog. Let's just start with the blog post. So about beginner productivity. Just fix that. So productivity. Tips example. I don't know, with some headings and shorts, like paragraphs. So yeah, I would assume that's a good prompt and hit the enter button. And let's just wait an example for Claude AI to create us the blog post. So basically, the clearer your prompts or the clearer the prompts, the better the output. So make sure to add or to write a very good prompt so you get a very good result. Make sure to specify any details that you want about anything that you want, about any content that you're going to create, whether it's a blog post, whether it's scripts or whatever. As you can see, it's reading and it's doing the thing. All you need to do, just wait. You can even click on this notify. And if you want to be notified when Claude responds, you can go as an example and do any other thing that you want. So you go to your tabs, do your work until you get notified, then you can come back right here. So once it's finished, we'll come back. So as you can see here, it's did the like or starts creating now the blog post. If I click on it, it will open here. So it failed to load content because it didn't finish yet. So okay, it's generated everything as you can see. So start with the brain like dump, use a simple to-do list, identify your most important tasks, try to promote techniques, tame your phone notification. So basically it's created everything for you. And as you can see, it's have it even in a doc. You can just go and click on it, open it in Drive, download this example, and here we'll get the doc. Let's just wait a little bit until it's shown or it will preview right here. And of course, here we are. Here's a blog post with 10 beginner productivity tips to take back your day. Instead of an example of brain rotting or something like that. So, full blog post. You did nothing other than writing a prompt. So as I said, the good the prompt is, the good the outputs will be. So once you generate an example, your blog post, because as you can see, Claude can generate like blog articles, including headlines, sections, summaries. You can edit the text before publishing it on your website if you want to, but that's up to you. So other than blog posts, you can even ask it to write you some scripts. You can use Claude to generate video scripts. As an example, you can ask it to write you like write an 8-minute like YouTube script. So YouTube script explaining an example. So explaining how to start maybe freelancing. So I just hit enter button and then just wait for it until it responds. Again, you'll have to wait a bit, maybe a minute, maybe less, and it will generate everything. So it will generate the scripts for you and you can start and shoot up your video. Also, it can generate you some social media content. Claude can also create short content like some Twitter posts, some LinkedIn captions, some Instagram descriptions for you. Of course, not the whole post, but will help you fill up a lot of the things that are annoying normally to do with, as I said, with like Instagram description or captions on LinkedIn, or normally the Twitter, the full Twitter post if you want to. So whatever Claude gives you, you will have to edit it, improve it, add your touch to it, basically improve the content however you want. Highlight the parts of the text if the output needs improvement, ask Claude to refine it. As example, you can ask it to shorten paragraphs, add bullet points, simplify the language if it's using some hard English, especially if you're working with beginners that's English is their second language or something like that. So once you are done, or once you're satisfied, you can just export and use the content. So copying the text into a document or CMS, or you can just download whatever it gives you. And once the content will look good, you can just go and paste it into your blog editor, into the video scripts, into the document, social media scheduler. So as you can see here for the script, it just finished generating it. So it gives you everything, even what to do. So an example on camera, this should be on that, that's what should be, as you can see. So a full script. You can just read it and ask it to change stuff if you didn't like it or something like that. So that should be it for me in this video. And that's how you can use Claude AI for content creation in 2026, from generating ideas to writing blog scripts and YouTube scripts, blog posts, and everything. So yeah, that should be it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.